You might be surprised by how much relief can come from blending two simple pantry ingredients, raw honey and pure baking soda. In today's world, where complex formulas and endless over-the-counter pills dominate the market, it's both refreshing and empowering to discover that a straightforward natural remedy can address a variety of everyday discomforts. For seniors in particular, gentle support that does not overwhelm the body is essential, and this mixture offers an accessible alternative that many find effective. This video explores 10 common ailments that often disrupt daily life as we age. From heartburn and acid reflux to minor cuts, skin irritations, joint stiffness, urinary discomfort, canker sores, persistent coughs, tired feet, and bloating. The unique properties of raw honey and baking soda work in harmony to soothe and balance the body without relying on synthetic chemicals or overly aggressive treatments. Raw honey, with its delicate sweetness, is much more than a natural sweetener. It contains enzymes and antibacterial properties that make it beneficial for soothing irritated throats, protecting minor wounds, and even calming inflamed skin. On the other hand, baking soda, known chemically as sodium bicarbonate, is prized for its ability to neutralize excess acids and maintain a balanced pH. When these two ingredients are combined appropriately, they create a remedy that can provide fast relief from various minor ailments, making it a practical addition to any natural health toolkit. For example, when heartburn or acid reflux flares up after a heavy meal, the burning sensation can become a major distraction from enjoying your day. A simple remedy is to dissolve about half a teaspoon of baking soda in warm water and stir in a small amount of honey. This combination works by coating the throat and stomach, helping to ease the burning sensation. The honey creates a soothing layer, while the baking soda quickly neutralizes the excess acid. Sipping this mixture slowly can help calm the discomfort, providing a gentle alternative to commercial antacids that might contain harsh additives. This approach not only offers immediate relief, but also avoids the pitfalls of more aggressive treatments, making it ideal for those who prefer natural methods. A persistent cough, especially one that interrupts sleep and daily routines, is another ailment that can be managed with this blend. When your throat feels raw and irritated, reaching for a spoonful of raw honey mixed with a light sprinkle of baking soda can be remarkably effective. The honey soothes and moisturizes the throat, reducing the tickling sensation that often leads to coughing fits, while the baking soda helps to loosen any stubborn mucus that might be contributing to the irritation. Some people find that taking this remedy before bedtime can significantly improve sleep quality by calming the cough and allowing the throat to heal gently. Minor cuts and scratches are common occurrences, and while they might seem insignificant, they can be a source of discomfort, especially when skin becomes more delicate with age. Instead of using harsh chemical antiseptics that might irritate sensitive skin further, many seniors turn to the natural antibacterial qualities of raw honey. When a small pinch of baking soda is mixed into a spoonful of honey, it forms a paste that can be gently applied to a cleaned wound. The honey acts as a protective barrier, reducing the risk of infection, while the baking soda assists in cleansing the area by lifting away any minor debris. This method is particularly useful for superficial cuts and abrasions, providing a natural way to promote healing while keeping irritation to a minimum. Skin irritations, such as mild rashes or itching, can be distressing, particularly for those with sensitive or aging skin. A simple paste made by combining a small amount of raw honey with a dash of baking soda can help alleviate redness and calm irritation. When applied gently to the affected area, the soothing nature of the honey moisturizes the skin, and the baking soda works to neutralize any residual irritants. This method not only helps to reduce discomfort, but also minimizes the need for chemical-laden creams, which some may find too harsh on delicate skin. It's a quick and easy solution that can be applied as needed, giving you a sense of control over those minor yet nagging skin issues. Joint stiffness is another common complaint, particularly during the morning hours or after periods of inactivity. Although the honey and baking soda blend is not a cure for chronic joint pain or arthritis, some individuals have found that a light external application can help ease the discomfort associated with mild stiffness. By gently massaging a thin layer of the warmed mixture onto the affected joint, the skin absorbs the soothing properties of the honey, while the baking soda may help create a more balanced environment around the tissues. This gentle massage, combined with a warm compress, can promote a sense of relief and encourage a bit more mobility, making routine movements less painful and more fluid. Urinary discomfort, which can manifest as mild irritation or a burning sensation, is yet another area where this natural remedy might offer temporary relief. Although any persistent or severe urinary issues should be evaluated by a medical professional, some people find that sipping a diluted solution of baking soda and honey can help ease the early signs of discomfort. The baking soda works to adjust the pH levels, creating an environment less favorable for irritation, while the honey's soothing properties help reduce the burning sensation. It is important, however, to use this remedy sparingly and with caution, particularly for individuals with kidney concerns or those who need to monitor their sodium intake. Canker sores in the mouth are small but notoriously painful, affecting everyday activities such as eating, talking, or even swallowing. Applying a tiny dab of the honey and baking soda mixture directly to the sore can help reduce the acidity and provide a soothing effect. The natural antibacterial properties of honey not only alleviate the pain, but also help promote the healing process. While the taste might be a little unusual at first, many find that the relief it brings is well worth the minor adjustment. This remedy is best used for small, isolated sores. If the condition worsens or becomes more frequent, it is advisable to seek further advice from a healthcare professional. After a long day of walking or standing, tired and achy feet are a familiar complaint, especially for those who are active or suffer from circulation issues. A relaxing foot soak prepared with warm water, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a small drizzle of raw honey can make a significant difference. The honey adds a subtle moisturizing effect to the water, while the baking soda helps to soften rough patches and neutralize any buildup on the skin. Soaking your feet for about 15 minutes can help reduce swelling and leave them feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Following the soak with gentle massaging and the application of a light moisturizer can further enhance the overall comfort of your feet. Bloating is a common source of discomfort after large meals or when the digestive system becomes sluggish. This natural remedy can also address the feeling of fullness that sometimes leads to bloating. By stirring half a teaspoon of baking soda into a warm cup of water and adding a teaspoon of honey, you create a beverage that may help release trapped gas and ease the tension in your stomach. Sipping this mixture slowly allows the gentle effervescence to work its way through the digestive tract, helping to alleviate the bloated sensation. It's best consumed between meals rather than immediately after eating, ensuring that it does not interfere with the digestive process. Each of these applications demonstrates the versatility of the honey and baking soda blend in addressing everyday health concerns. While many people experience immediate relief from these simple remedies, it is essential to remember that they are best suited for minor, temporary discomforts. They should not replace professional medical advice or treatment for persistent or severe conditions. The strength of this natural remedy lies in its accessibility and ease of use, offering a gentle way to manage symptoms without relying on complex or synthetic products. Incorporating this remedy into your routine can be both a practical and comforting experience. It invites you to take a moment for yourself, to pause, prepare a small mixture, and address discomfort in a way that feels natural and empowering. For many seniors, having a reliable, homemade solution means less time spent worrying about the next bout of discomfort and more time enjoying daily activities. Whether you are dealing with a minor bout of heartburn, a scratchy throat from a lingering cough, or the subtle ache of joint stiffness, this blend offers a consistent, straightforward way to reclaim a sense of balance. It is important to experiment carefully with proportions to see what works best for you. Some might prefer a slightly sweeter mixture to offset the taste of the baking soda, while others might adjust the amounts based on personal sensitivity. The key is to listen to your body and use this remedy as one part of a broader approach to health that includes proper hydration, balanced nutrition, and regular physical activity. With time and mindful use, this natural solution can become a trusted part of your daily routine, offering comfort whenever minor ailments arise. Even as we explore these benefits, it is vital to stay informed and cautious. Natural remedies like this one are not a cure-all, and they should be integrated thoughtfully with any existing treatments or advice from healthcare providers. If you experience any unusual reactions or if your symptoms persist, it is important to consult a medical professional. Your health is a comprehensive balance, and while natural methods can play an important role, they work best when combined with professional guidance and personalized care. Many seniors appreciate the simplicity and reliability of natural remedies that do not require a prescription or a trip to the pharmacy. There is a certain satisfaction in knowing that effective relief can come from common kitchen ingredients rather than expensive or complex medications. This approach not only respects the body's natural processes, but also instills a sense of self-reliance. When you find a solution that works for you, it empowers you to take charge of your well-being in a way that is both simple and profound. Over time, you may discover that this remedy not only helps with one specific issue, but becomes a versatile tool in your health arsenal. The ease of preparation means that it can be quickly mixed whenever discomfort arises, reducing downtime and allowing you to continue with your daily life without much interruption. For many, this leads to a renewed confidence in managing minor health issues, knowing that relief is just a spoonful away. As you continue to experiment and observe the benefits, consider sharing your experience with others. Often, natural remedies thrive on community wisdom and shared experiences. Whether it's a neighbor, friend, or family member who struggles with similar issues, passing along this simple, time-tested method can contribute to a supportive network of natural health enthusiasts. In a world where we are often bombarded with complicated treatments and ever-changing trends, returning to basic, natural solutions can feel like a comforting reminder of what really matters. True comfort and effective relief come from approaches that honor the body's inherent wisdom. The combination of raw honey and baking soda is not only practical and accessible, but also a gentle nod to the idea that sometimes the simplest methods can yield the most satisfying results. Embracing such remedies encourages a more mindful and balanced way of living, one where you rely on nature's gifts to manage everyday challenges. Remember, while this blend offers significant benefits for many minor ailments, it is important to use it thoughtfully. Monitor your body's reactions and adjust the mixture to suit your personal needs. With a little practice and careful observation, you can fine-tune this remedy to provide exactly the kind of support you need on those days when discomfort threatens to disrupt your routine. If you find that this method consistently aids in your comfort and improves your overall sense of well-being, it might just become one of your go-to solutions. Sharing these insights with others can further spread the benefits of natural, straightforward remedies that are accessible to everyone. There's something truly uplifting about knowing that effective relief doesn't always require expensive, complicated solutions. Sometimes it's right there in your kitchen. Right. Don't forget to share with friends and subscribe.